Let me see. Okay. And then I'm going to do something like this. Okay. So that's kind of like where my eyes and stuff would be. So this is kind of the idea of the picture before it gets started. Okay, so you can see we already got the picture already lined up like we want, right? This is something I learned. This is a really powerful lesson that I learned from Tom Richmond, actually. His book a long time ago. So I still I incorporate these into my drawings as much as I possibly can to keep them. Yeah. See that? You see how you can see the picture without ever having to draw the whole thing? This is what makes them look like them. So it's not really your features. This shows you that it's not really just your features. It's more about where you're placing your features at than anything else. How you situate the features tells you what the person looks like, right? If I can do all of this, I'm gonna draw everything except putting actual features in, just to show you this is not a track. This is not a test. Okay. So we ain't gonna even put no eyes in there. We just did a picture. Okay. Just like that. All right. So that's one way we could do his picture, right? All right, but the next way we could do it, let's just find another way to do it. Let's make the T shape a little different this time. What if we made the T shape where his nose was like, well, you can't give him a you can either go really small on the eyes. I think that you shouldn't go really big on the nose. I mean, I could do something like this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch. You see that right there? Look how thin those eyes are. And then it comes out into this nose shape. Okay? Okay? You see that right there? So now I made the eyes a little bit thinner, right? Like his eyes. Okay? And then put this shape here. And you can see how I just throw my mustache in there real quick. Okay. And then over here, come around, drop down and come around. And then we'll come over here and drop down. Hit the ear shape, make it nice and, right? And then over here, we can see how the head shape kind of goes in there like this. Okay. So again, I went with a whole different idea, right? To change a little bit of something about the caricature. All right, so that's another one. Let me see what else I can do with that. Let me see. Now, I could go with a larger jawline, maybe. I think that always is funny for a guy, not so funny for women. You have to think about what would be funny with that person's face. Well, you know what I think would be cool? You know what I think would be cool? If if we made his mouth more outstanding, like watch what I mean. Watch the concept. I'm gonna give you a quick concept drawing, okay? Let me just put this up here. All right, now watch this concept. All right, so can I pull this off? Can I pull this off? I can pull it off. Let me see. How would I do that? Okay, I'm doing too much thinking. Let's just do it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a small shape here, right? Watch my drawing. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to a bigger shape here. Okay. I'm gonna do small eyebrows in the top. Okay, so this is the idea. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a shape like this. I'm gonna drop it down because what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make his smile bigger, right? Okay. And then I'm gonna put the lip here, right? And then I'm gonna basically not even give him a, I'm gonna give him a very little shape like this. So I just made that bigger. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna wrap around the eyebrow. I'm gonna drop down here. Come on in. Oh, I picked my pen up real quick. All right. And then I'm gonna do over here. What can I do? I gotta go. Oh boy, this is gonna be. Can I do that? No, I can't do that. I can't do that because I wouldn't be looking at the cheekbone when I'm doing it. I'll be looking at this profile line, so I can still get away with making it straight. And then I don't know. Okay. Now this is his beard shape, so let me see how it would fit. Doing this is a lot about like trial and error, just having fun trying to create. He got some big gums in this picture. I'm gonna give him some big gums. I don't want too many lines in the gums because this way it stays cartoon looking, right? All right, now all we got to do here is we're going to go in, we're going to go over and down, and we got to make this hat smaller because of how big we did the top of the head. So I got to bring it down some to a smaller shape. You see what I'm saying? So the energy in my head is flowing like this. So everything had to get smaller. Okay, man, you wouldn't realize triangles are like crazy important in the big scheme of things. Okay. Now, wait. Okay. And then we'll give him a super small neck so that it actually exacerbates how big this is right here when I give him that small neck right there. Now, check it out. Let's see what happens. We're going to go ahead with this. We're going to go ahead and give him life, right? We're going to give him life. So let's do this. Let's just put some eyes in there and see what happens. Just an inkling of the eye, not really anything specific, just more like something that captured the emotion real quick. And I'm not going to use too many more lines here because then it's going to lose its effectiveness. So, and he's a thin guy, so I'm going to do like this and put some thin guy's shoulders. Right. All right. So this is our other guy right here. Okay, so we did 3 different approaches. Hey, what's going on, Cherish? How are you? Good to have you. I'm glad that you showed up today. All right, let me see here. Okay. Oh, real quick, guys. My name is Harry. I just wanted to let you guys know who I am, right? Thank you for coming out. Super awesome to have you here today. I hope that uh, you are learning something with me today. That's awesome. If you're learning, it's always good when we're learning. If you guys have not checked out our Patreon page, you should check that out. That's our basically it's our fan funding page. You know, it costs just time and energy and effort and all this stuff to doing the streams and the word of the day and writing it down and all that kind of stuff. You know, and then the ministry side of what we do. So you know, we do from time to time we like to look, you know, search out and try to find ways where I could stay in front of the camera more, you know what I mean, and doing more things with you guys. So that's a way for you to be able to support us if you wish. That information is pinned to the top of the screen. Let me see. Other than that, I do requests, so you can do the requests here at the bottom of your page. And then if you are a Patreon member, you do understand about the discounts with that as well. Oh, by the way, guys, next week we're going to be, maybe next week or the beginning of the week after that, we just finished up with our new with a new PDF series, and that series is going to be about. Thank you so much, Cherish. Thank you. That series is going to be basically cheat sheets for eyes and noses and hairdos and different things, different shapes that I use that are, what's the word? It simplifies the process for me. So hopefully these shapes or these my ideas on paper will help you to simplify and be able to be more proficient in your caricature. All right, so let's go ahead, guys, and we're going to get back into it. Thank you again. Oh, also, if you wish to support on Super Chat, you can do so too. All right. Let me see here. So we did 3 different versions of this guy. Where's the first version? I think it was this one, okay? And we can see that it's really not about the mere fact that we could just make this shape in the middle of the face, right? And it starts to look like him. It tells us that, hey, you know what? It's not always about, you know, these features, these exact features. It's a lot more about placement in the scheme of the... Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it, and after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.